The Bugatti La Voiture Noire is a truly rare and amazing Bugatti concept car. It's not just an embodiment of form follows function, but rather the most significant expression of opulence, extravagance, and luxury. The company revealed the hand-assembled limited edition La Voiture Noire, which was a tribute to the 100th anniversary since the manufacturer Bugatti was founded. If you followed my channel, you know I'm a car guy, and you will all agree with me on this, that one of the most luxurious, beautiful, and fastest cars ever made is the Bugatti. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire, or the Black Car more precisely, was the latest in their lineup for 2018, with production very limited and costing around $19 million. It is the hyper-expensive two-door sports car that was on display at Las Vegas CES 2018. Does it really matter? Yes. In this video, I give you an insider's insight into Bugatti and tell you why you should probably care about it even though you don't own one. To call the Bugatti La Voiture Noire a car is almost an insult. It's really more like a mobile jewelry box. According to Stefan Winkelmann, the president of Bugatti, the Atlantic is one of the icons of Bugatti's rich history. At the time, this coupe was unique in its elegance, quality, and performance, and it remains so today. A luxurious hyper-sports car. For us, both an inspiration and obligation at the same time. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the video, where we are going to take a closer look at one of the most impressive cars ever built, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Features. As I said earlier, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire is not just a car, it's a work of art. With its sleek aerodynamic design, it is impossible not to be impressed by this magnificent vehicle. It is built with the finest materials, including a combination of carbon fiber and aluminum, which gives it a lightweight yet sturdy structure. It is equipped with massive 16-cylinder engine that produces 1,103 horsepower, making it one of the fastest cars in the world. Interior and exterior. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire is coated in stunning glossy black paint, which gives it its name, the Black Car. As for the exterior, like the visor on a helmet, the windscreen appears to blend smoothly into the windows. The newly crafted bumpers blend seamlessly with the body. The surface appears to melt into one continuous piece when the eye is gently guided over it by clean lines. La Voiture Noire gives the impression of being longer because of its expanded front end and unique Bugatti trademark line. The coupe's beautiful waistline draws attention to its features. 6 tailpipes in the back demonstrate La Voiture Noire's immense power. They subtly allude to the car's legendary 16-cylinder engine's power while blending into the overall design. The La Voiture Noire is not just a fast car, it's also packed with amenities. The car has been designed with the highest level of attention to detail, making it one of the most impressive cars on the road. The wheels perfectly capture the car's commanding look. The ideal material thickness for the alloy wheels during production was determined using specific software. The distinctive taillights, which are handcrafted and hand-installed in Bugatti's Molsheim atelier, exactly like the main headlights, demonstrate the degree of the company's production quality. The legendary 16-cylinder engine, which beats in the center of La Voiture Noire, is its beating heart. This engineering marvel is exceptional in the vehicle history and has a genuine mechanical high point. In terms of power and torque, the 16-cylinder 8-liter engine produces 1,103 horsepower and 1,600 newton-meters of torque. Materials used. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire has been built with a focus on quality and luxury. From the exterior to the interior, every aspect of this car has been designed with the highest level of attention to detail. The materials used are of the highest quality. The car also features state-of-the-art technology, including advanced safety features, making it one of the most technologically advanced cars on the market today. The famous dorsal seam of the Atlantic is echoed by the fin that runs through the middle of the La Voiture Noire. It's a rare example of how history and modernity can coexist, and it blends in seamlessly with the flowing lines of the perforated back. Each component was made by hand. highlighting the degree of manufacturing excellence used by Bugatti. Only the ultra-fine fiber structure can be seen through the rich black gloss of the carbon fiber body. The polish and well-matched materials combine to make the surface shine brilliantly. Specifications: the Bugatti La Voiture Noire is a powerhouse on the road, with its massive cylinder engine that produces 1,106 horsepower. This car can reach a top speed of 261 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. The car also features a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing seamless gear changes and a smooth driving experience. Amenities: the interior is just as stunning as the exterior, with top-of-the-line amenities including a premium sound system, an advanced infotainment system, and climate control. The car also features plush leather seats that are adjustable to your comfort and a spacious cabin that provides a luxurious experience for both the driver and passenger. Fuel economy: the Bugatti La Voiture Noire is not known for its fuel economy, but its massive engine provides an impressive level of performance. This car is capable of delivering an adrenaline rush with its speed and power. However, if you're looking for a car with good fuel efficiency, this is not the one. There are others. Conclusion: in conclusion, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire is a luxurious and technologically advanced machine that delivers unparalleled performance. It sets an extremely high standard by adhering to the adage, elegance via simplicity and refinement through intensification. The unique one-off is a stunning display of automotive artistry and ingenuity and provides stunning evidence of Bugatti's capacity to create the world's most powerful, opulent, and exclusive hyper-sports vehicles. It's a car that will turn heads wherever it goes and provide a driving experience unlike any other. Whether you are a car enthusiast or just appreciate fine engineering and design, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire is a car that should not be missed. The lucky buyer: Bugatti only produced one of this high-end hypercar, and it's already been purchased by a mystery buyer who the firm just refers to as a Bugatti aficionado. So if you want to add this luxury vehicle to your collection, it's already too late. Ferdinand Pesch, a former chairman of the Volkswagen Group, which owns the Bugatti brand, was the buyer, according to a report by CNBC. With the sale of a one-of-a-kind sculpture by Asprey and accompanying NFT to a devoted collector for $19 million at a live auction, which was held at Phillips in Berkeley Square, Mayfair, the tale of La Voiture Noire has once again changed. Asprey's workshop developed a one-of-a-kind gold sculpture and original artwork merged with an NFT, drawing inspiration from the notoriously lost Type 57 SC Atlantic and its contemporary recreation, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire. It was sold with an NFT and the artwork that accompanied the sculpture. The La Voiture Noire sculpture was auctioned off after a runaway success with a series of 261 smaller, more upscale sterling silver sculptures from the Bugatti Asprey collection, each with its own NFT. That was all from our side. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Please subscribe to our channel. We'll be back soon with more exciting content.